Alright, this is Coffee for lab 5. Here's my student ID. And today we are going to do lab 5. Let me start the program. So it turns on the initial set at 0, 0, 0 is zeros on the output. And let me tell you something, this project was a headache because these resistors right here, I had them all at 1 kilo ohms, I think, or 1,000 kilo ohms. That makes more sense. And I was getting a lot of issues with the display. And then I transferred this third bit to a 47,000 kilo ohms. I think that's how you say it. And then everything started working fine. So I really don't understand how more resistance helps it, but it did, and I'm not questioning it anymore. But okay, so when they're all at 0, the display is 0. When I knock up the first bit, this one should start counting up to 9 and then repeat. And it'll keep doing that. I'm gonna show it one more time. Okay, cool. And when I do the second bit, the left digit will start counting up. And then it'll repeat. Okay, cool. Great. And then it takes some time. I don't know why. Don't ask me. And then for the third segment that we were given, or the fourth one, when it's 0, 1, 1, that'll preset it. So I'm gonna try to set it to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I got 5, so it's okay. 35, I was off by 1 on each. Okay, well this is the preset now, 35. We can go to the next one, which is recalling the preset value. Recalling the preset value occurs at 1, 1, 0, as well as 0, 1, what is that other one? As well as 1, 0, 1. So we'll do the 2 in the middle. So the 2 in the middle are up, and then we have 35 there. So that's one of the calls of the preset values. And then let me put this one down, put this one up. No, that one's at 35. It took a little bit to process because these were both down, and at 1, 0, 0, we're gonna be counting, I believe, up. So at this point, I'm gonna put this one down. Well, what I'll do, I'll count down first because we're closer to that. So I'll count down first, and to count down, it's 1, 1, 1. So I'll go ahead and push this one up, and it should count all the way down to 10, and then restart at 35, I believe it was. So it'll just take a minute, we're almost there. Gets to 10, goes back to 35, and it repeats. And then I will put it back to the preset by turning this one down. And then now to count up, it'll take a second, there. And it'll count up to 90. And then once it reaches 90, it'll go back to the preset. So this one will take a bit longer. What I also found interesting was, I'll show you in a minute, we're almost there. So it's almost at 90, it should go back to 35. 35, there we go. And what I did find interesting was if we're counting down, I can knock this one down and by doing that I've made the preset of 40. So I'm gonna go count down again, and then this should end up at 40 once it reaches 10. There you go, 40. And we can stop all of these. Eventually stop. These will still work by themselves. Still counting. I can call the preset. Three, 4. And then this is the code for lab5 that I wrote. These are the ports that we were given. Everything up to, I believe, here was given. So the next 4 if statements, I believe, are what I did. Calling the preset value at a different switch here. Count cycle up, count cycles down. The delay cycles for the change in the numbers. The interrupt right here. I kept mine at common anode display, and what I did actually was I switched this to active high. That was the one little thing I did different from the skeleton code that we were given. But that's my code there. Thank you.